A new day has dawned. The time has come for Beer 30 to make a choice. Will he freeze to death this winter in Portland? Or will he put his resources together and get the hell out of there? To a new country. To freedom.
Hell yeah, brother. That's American as fuck.
Beer 30 here. It's nice and warm here in Portland still, and it's September. Usually there's smoke everywhere, but there isn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the river. Right? Update on my truck. So my truck is running. Finally. Holy fuck, it's been like 4 months. All they have to do is hook up the exhaust. Hopefully that doesn't take too long, right? Well, as you see, I have to shave with my phone because there are no outlets in the bathroom here at work where I'm staying while I'm waiting for my truck. What do you think? Should I do the mustache? Shave my fucking face. All that hair off. Alright, 56%. That ought to do it. Don't forget to hydrate, you thirsty, thirsty bitches. Down to the park. I already forgot the name of this park, and I go here all the time. I think it's called Waterfront something, or not Waterfront something. I think it's like Shade Tree or some bullshit. Oh, and there's not many people here today. All right. Let's check out this river, shall we? Now I think I found a good spot over here by the reeds. There are no reeds over here, but I'll try and talk nice and loudly for you guys. So I brought you all here today. No bad news. I just wanted to update you guys on where I'm at with life. And I came to Portland, almost 2 years ago. And it's been an experience, to say the least. I've had ups and downs, mostly ups actually. Some downs, some negative things. Obviously. I didn't have anything before I came here. I had nothing, man. I started with nothing, and I worked myself up. But that's not what this video is about. If you guys want to know my story, go see the first video, the very first video that I uploaded. That being said, I just want to tell you guys what the future looks like for me and Portland, me in Portland, and if I'm gonna be in Portland at all. So, I know the tone may sound like I'm leaving, and the reality is I am leaving and I'm not leaving. What does that mean, Mike? I am leaving possibly December to go to Chile.
and then Mexico. Definitely Mexico and possibly Chile, but definitely I'm going to Mexico. I'm going to be spending months there, like the whole winter probably, because as you guys know, when it comes to freezing temperatures, and if you didn't know, I'm kind of a pussy. So anyway, I will be dipping out of here during the winter because I don't like the cold. I'll be starting the next chapter in my life. The adventure continues. I'm gonna be meeting up with my friends from Russia. They're gonna teach me how to start my own teaching business, my own ESL business. It's gonna be fucking sick, dude. For once, I'm not gonna be stuck in the cold. I'm gonna be doing something business related while traveling. You know, it's exciting. There's some people pulling up on their boat right here. See? Anyway, I might actually have to find a new spot. I think I'm compromised, you guys. So as I was saying before I was rudely interrupted, yeah, it's not the end for me with Portland, obviously. I think I'm going to make Portland my base of operations, and what that means is every summer I'll be returning here, and every time I stay in America, I'm going to be staying with my truck. That's the next subject I'd like to go over. My truck. What are you going to do with your truck, Mike? Well, I decided that Yuri, I have a really good friend that whoa, that's cool as fuck. They're tubing over there. I have a very trustworthy friend that I can leave my truck with for the entirety of the winter. And if I didn't have my friend, I don't think that would be possible. And if he didn't allow me to keep such a large truck in his property, I don't think that would be possible. Yeah, I think it's time for me to find a new spot, because I was compromised by these people. But it's all good, man. It's all Gucci. It's all good. Just take it with stride. Take it with stride. Time to go to the next park. New park. I'm here at Clackamas Park. This guy's staring at me. If you stare at me, I'll point the camera at you. That's the way it works. There's always a bunch of geese out here chilling. It's fucking cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down there. Hopefully I don't fall. I almost just did. Yeah. Go hang out with some ducks, right? Some fucks. Watch where you step. Otherwise you'll eat shit. You don't want to do that. Alright, well, it looks kind of nice over here, right? Except for, you know, that. That's not nice. I'm gonna go down here with the ducks. Oh yeah. Hi. Really fast current today. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. No. That's the plan for winter of 2021-2022 is for me to go. Sorry, I'm trying not to get fucking cut up by all these blueberry bushes. Is for me to go to Chile and then Mexico. Chile and then Mexico. What do you guys think? Think this is a good spot to pee? There's a croc in the wild. A wild croc.
friend has given Beer 30 everything. He couldn't leave it so easily. Despite all the rubbish, all the hatred everywhere, there's still an art to everything. There's a sick, twisted art that emerges from all the shit. And at the end of the day, I always have to ask myself, is this traveling worth it? Will it ever end?
No. It'll never be enough.